Hi, I'm Janine from Purple Room Yoga, and I'm going to be walking you through the pose side angle, extended side angle, or called Parsvakonasana. So you're going to start with your feet about a leg length apart, one of your leg lengths, a little bit wider, and rotate the right toes to the right so that the knee and toes point straight ahead. You want the knee aiming toward your second and third right toe. And then bend the knee as if you were going into Warrior Two. You want the knee directly over the ankle, so you have a nice perpendicular line with the shin. The thigh may or may not be parallel to the floor. In the deepest pose, it is parallel, but it really doesn't matter whether your thigh is parallel to the floor or not. You're trying to move from a vertical pelvis to a tipped pelvis, so that in Warrior Two, we have our pelvis vertical. In side angle, the right hip is lower than the left hip and the spine is straight. So it's like we have a flat back to the side. Now there's lots of possibilities in terms of what you're doing with your arms. One possibility is having your right elbow on your right knee. Rather than leaning into the arm, you're lifting up. So you're pressing your elbow into your thigh, lifting the ribs away from the thigh, and then rotate the left ribs away from the right thigh toward the ceiling. You're keeping the knee over the ankle, so you're not letting the knee roll in. And you might feel a little inner thigh stretch as you rotate the ribs open. Now your left hand can be at your hip, your left hand can be up toward the ceiling, or rotate the left pinky finger toward the floor and create one long diagonal line through the whole left side of the body. Feel that outer left foot connecting into the floor strongly as you reach the right knee forward. Feel the left pinky finger reaching away from that left heel. Feel the thighs spinning open, glutes are working, abdominals are working. It's those obliques that spin the left ribs toward the ceiling. And again, you might feel a right inner thigh stretch. Now, other possibilities. This is sort of the basic foundational version of the pose. You can also put your right hand on the floor or maybe on a block, and you can place that hand on the inside or the outside of the leg. The benefit of the inside is you can use your arm to press the knee open, keeping that right thigh parallel to the right side of your mat. Again, it may or may not be parallel to the floor, but you want it parallel to the outer edge of your mat. Placing it on the outside engages the glutes and those external rotators to press the knee against the arm so that you're really activating those thighs. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.